In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Drive link for photos. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google Drive like you normally would. Alright, so you want to go ahead and load into Google Drive, and then you want to go ahead and find the image. You may need to go ahead and scroll down, or you can upload the image and then we can create a link out of it. So this is the image that I want to make a link out of. It is of a pillager outpost in the game Minecraft. And now what you want to do is you want to go to the top right, select on these three dots, then select on this option that says share. And then go ahead and select on share right over here. And what you can do is you can actually go ahead and email people who you want to give a specific permission. So if there's like a particular person, so if there's only a particular person that you want to go ahead and send this to, then you can type in their email address. And then where it says general access restriction means only people with access can open the link, or you guys can select on anyone with the link. It is 100% up to you. And you can also determine whether they're a viewer, commenter, or editor. That is 100% up to you. Then you just want to go ahead and press on done. And then afterwards, what you want to do is you want to select on share, then copy link, and then you should be good to go. And if we go ahead and just like copy and paste it somewhere else, as you're able to tell, it is now going to take us to that image. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.